So welcome to the English Lovers by Handy. In this video, as I mentioned before, that I'll tell you the strategy that using which you can get the rest of the 16 marks from the literature paper by preparing the Merchant of Venice very craftily and with the skill rather than actually reading the whole of the thing about the Merchant of Venice. If you're gonna focus on the characters that are there, like Shylock, Antonio, Bassanio, Portia. There are so many persons like whose dialogues are greatly important. But if you're gonna focus on one person, like Shylock, suppose you're basically focusing on Shylock and Shylock, Portia, and Antonio. Okay, if you're gonna focus on these three persons, you can simply read their dialogues, find the meanings of them, and why they say the statement. You know, then you can prepare these 16 marks easily. If you haven't started preparing the Merchant of Venice from the beginning itself, and you feel so that how can I get marks now? For that one, I'm saying so that you can start now also, but instead of reading the whole of the Merchant of Venice, I think you can go for the characters dialogues. Like if you focus on Shylock, you will be definitely preparing your 16 marks for it, because main character is Shylock, and the way he you know contemplate about like like the way that he was being disrespected by Antonio in the marketplace, and then he talks about the comparison of a Christian and the Jew, and he says that both the persons are similar, both the religions are similar, and why he has been treated like that. So that dialogue of Shylock actually got a lot of prominence, and that is why even that has been added as a chapter in CBSE. Okay, in one of the classes, I don't remember the name of the class, or I don't remember the which grade it is, but still it is in the grade of somebody. Okay, so that's the thing. Then thereafter, the dialogues which are between Celerino and Celanio, that they're finding out the reasons of the sadness of Antonio, that are greatly important. And then you see this Greciano speaking about the kind of visages and all that. That dialogue is greatly important. And this Antonio, how he talks to his friend, and the conversation between Antonio and Bassanio are of utmost importance. And the conversations between the Portia and the suitors who come to, you know, mm, like woo her and try to take the chance to have her hand. Okay, then those are also important one. Okay, conversations between Portia and those suitors, and they are very less in number. You can remember them, all of them. So that conversation is of great importance. And the trial scene, in the trial scene, the conversation between Portia and Shylock, that is of great importance. And on the whole, if we say, the whole of the drama is important, but if you're going to focus on these 3-4 persons, you'll easily get the one question, like you're preparing for 16 marks, but you have to prepare it wholeheartedly, that you are not going to miss any single question. Try to find out like what are the different ways to make the questions out of the given references, but try to make questions out of the references. Sometimes one or the two questions can come, not related to the reference, but on the whole they used to be accordingly. So I recommend you that prepare Shylock, Antonio, Bassanio, Portia, these 4 characters, and rest of the conversations are greatly important. Okay, their dialogues are greatly important. And one particular character I'm missing is like Lancelot Gobo, or when he actually makes a fool out of his like father, or like whomever comes to meet him, and brings a gift for the honor of Lancelot Gobo. Okay, so old Gobo comes to meet, and then that conversation between both of them is greatly important. So Lorenzo's that dialogue when he actually speaks of like no reason is there that why Antonio has made the face like this or that. So that dialogue, and others, like others I have mentioned that, like sending a arrow in one direction and all that, that you know that very well. So basically focusing on the dialogues of these four characters, you can get it like those 16 marks easily. But still, if you want to like come to the main or the chief character, then Shylock is the only one you can prepare, and you can get your 16 rest of the 16 marks from your merchant. uh, for more such videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates of the new videos, and do share my videos with your friends and your allies. Bye bye, take care, good night.